Welcome to Cayman Beach. This is a well-known subdivision right here in the heart of Osage Beach, perfect for full-time or part-time living. This particular home offers an oversized 3-car garage, 4 bedrooms, and multiple living areas for entertainment. The bonus on this one, it includes a 12 by 28 boat slip in the community dock, and you also have city water and city sewer, and a beautiful swimming pool that's included for all the residents. For more information on this beautiful home here in Cayman Beach, please call Krantz & Associates, RE/MAX Lake of the Ozarks, 573-302-2355.